Florence is getting a telling off because she's been naughty. I wasn't, again, one of those things, I wasn't planning on vlogging today, but it was such a nice day at the beach, and I thought, I started filming on my phone. My camera's broken at the moment, and I just thought I'm going to carry on. So you enjoy. Bonnie, we're going to go in the hot tub. Yeah? Who have you got on your swim nappy? Dory.
Not Nemo.
Not Nemo. Who's got Nemo on their nappy?
Ellie.
Ellie. Ellie. Ah. Hey, Ellie, are you ready for the hot tub? Oh yeah. Guys, look at me. I'm going to say goodbye now. The girls were upstairs with Liam, just watching a film and just having a cuddle with Ellie downstairs. The ice cream van has just turned up outside, which is really tempting, but I'm trying to be good at the moment, so I'm not going to have one. Yeah, most often on a Sunday night, usually they come round, which is really cool, I think. So it's 6:20 at the moment, and yes, really, I think it's quite a nice time for them to come round after a Sunday lunch. You can have an ice cream, but we haven't done it yet. Maybe we'll do that next week. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this vlog. Bit of a random one, just sort of half chilled out. Nothing too much planned. We've got a really busy week this week because it's half term. So, yes, I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video.